talking about how cold it's been. Over the weekend, we had the coldest night the UK has recorded in 15 years. It got to minus 18.9 degrees in Alton Harris and nearly minus 19. Fast forward 48 hours, this morning in Alton Harris with the milder air moving in, it is nearly 30 degrees warmer than it was on Saturday morning. So this is welcome news. If this cold weather has just been gripping you too much, we are now having this milder weather spread right across the UK that is moving away the cold air, but we still have some cold conditions as we head through the next few days. These were the nighttime temperatures we saw over the weekend, but they are much, much milder today. So wet and windy is the name of the game in the north, but still cold and dry in the south. So we have frosty conditions through England and Wales first thing, where we have the clearest skies, but a weather front in the north brings with it cloud, rain, and strengthening winds. No weather warnings in force for any of this. And yes, this milder weather will cause the snow to melt, but we're hoping it will happen slowly, which means we won't see the risk of flooding. Good morning to you. It was bitingly cold, near record-breaking cold this weekend. We had minus 18.9 at Alton Harris, the coldest night in the UK for 15 years. This morning, it is nearly 30 degrees warmer at 10 degrees because milder air has now moved in. Welcome news if this cold has just been way too much for you. Still some cold weather across the south, but not as biting as the weekend. Milder, wetter and windier further north. So this is how it looks first thing this morning. A touch of frost in the south, cloudy skies with this very mild weather across the north. So it is cloudy here. We have outbreaks of rain. The rain is heavy at times. And yes, this milder weather will cause snow melt, but it should slowly start to happen. And we're hoping we won't see any flooding issues. So 10, 11 degrees across the north, 6s and 7s in the south, still single digits, but turning milder for all later this week.